Toddler Learning Time TV.
Bright day begins, the playground sings, happy notes bounce as the laughter rings. Up we climb, then down we slide, playful tunes roll like a joyful ride. Swinging high with breezy cheer, rhythms soar as fun draws near. Soft little taps as shovels play, gentle tones guide us any day. Up and down the seesaw sways, music skips in bouncy ways. Running fast with steps so light, drums and strings keep hearts so bright. Round they spin with skies so blue, whistling tunes swirl with you. Climbing high the laughter flows, piano leaps where sunshine glows. Quiet rest the moment stays, calm guitar hums gentle rays. Butterflies float on notes that fly, melody drifts like clouds in sky. Rocking toys bounce to playful beat, accordion jingles make joy complete. Round and round the circle spins, bells and violins dance like twins. Little hands draw lines in sand, soft marimba guides the band. Trumpets cheer the climbing king, marching drums with courage sing. Hide and seek with strings so sly, fans play bright as eagles fly. Arms spread wide they soar and glide, airy flutes sing side to side. Leaves fall slow with autumn tune, silky hum beneath the moon. Up and down the seesaw plays, music hops in merry way. Bubbles rise with harps of glow, sand foam sparkles as they flow. Sun sets low, the day is done, piano fades with sound.